Thutha wa kiriro kinene kuma kuri Kenya na ikundi itiganite ikiuria thirikari itangathe murimu wa kansa tari king'uki guku bururi-ini kuona ni ukoretwo ukiuraga andu aingi murimu uyu ugikuo gukorwo uri wa gatatu kuraga andu aingi guku bururi-ini. Atongoria kanitha wa Anglican kuma kaunti ya Kiambu mugite murimu uyu ni wagiriirwo gutangathwo ta king'uki.
We should have constant medical checkups. We should not be afraid to be screened.
Undu uria riu utumite thirikari iyo ikinya na ithundurie bodi iri kurora maundu matiganite megie murimu uyu mbere utangathitwo ta king'uki.
The ministry has put in place an elaborate cancer policy framework dating back to the year 2011 with the first national cancer control strategy dating 2011 to 2016.
Karukia githie na mbere kuga thirikari ni ikoretwo ikigacirithia thibitari itiganite bururi-ini niguo ihote kung'ethanira na murimu uyu.
The strategy has since been reviewed and the current cancer control strategy dating 2017 to 2022 is being implemented and gives a unifying framework to guide all stakeholders involved in cancer prevention, control as well as treatment.
Maya moketerere abunge morete thirikari ikorwo ikiheana motungata ma guthurima kansa ya cervix hatari marihi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wangari wa Mwangi.